Welcome to Mimi Learning Adventure. Let's learn numbers together. Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 10. Start with 1. 1 apple. Now count 2. 1, 2. Now count 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now count number 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now count number 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are learning so fast. Let's try one more time. 1 to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing job! Subscribe for more fun learning. Bye, friends!